Hi, it's Grant here and I hope you're all doing great today. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of how I helped one of my clients generate $2.8 million from Facebook ads in only 24 months. And I'm really excited to walk you through how we achieve this because it's going to show you that you don't need a really complicated funnel to make, revenue and profits from Facebook ads, because really we achieve these results with obviously running high budget Facebook ad campaigns. We just used webinars. We had a great offer and a sales team, and that is it. No sort of, multiple upsells in a funnel, downsells, all of this kind of rubbish. It was just one funnel, one great offer, great marketing hook, and high budget Facebook ads, and obviously a great sales team. So basically, I'm just going to give you a bit of a backstory. So I started working with my client in beginning of 2016, January, and sort of like the goal in January was to test a lot of different offers, test lots of different hooks to see what worked and what didn't. So basically, during 2016, we were doing a lot of live webinars. My client was actually doing, live webinars. So I'd promote, obviously, his live webinars on a daily basis. We'd be using budgets of $1,500 to $2,000 a day to get people into the webinars, gather data, and then he'd close the people on the webinar into various programs. The whole point of this was to see what offers were working, what weren't, gather loads of data, i.e. gather people on his email list, so he can sell to them on his back end. And now fast forward over 2016, we refined this process, and by the end of 2016, my client had generated $465,000 directly from Facebook ads. So basically, we learned a ton of things. We created a lot of new audiences from all of the data we had got. So basically what we could do now is really go out and scale in 2017. So basically what my client did, he created a brand new high ticket offer. He basically created an automated webinar that would promote this offer. Basically he created a really compelling marketing hook that would resonate with his audience. And just to be completely transparent, the offer on the automated webinar was actually to book a sales appointment with his sales team. So his sales team would then turn, obviously, the sales appointments and they'd sell them into his high ticket program. So that was kind of like the funnel flow. It was obviously people would register for the webinar. They'd book a sales appointment. Then his sales team would close these people into the high ticket program. So basically what we did, I created Facebook ads for his funnel. We're actually running 3 different campaigns targeting 3 different kinds of audiences. It was lookalikes, it was, and basically page admins and various other interests. And we were running all of these campaigns at scale. And the total daily budget for these 3 campaigns was $1,700 to $2,000 per day. And basically we ran this campaign right throughout 2017. And we were spending, what was the budget? It was around about, $50,000 to $60,000 per month on this one funnel. And the monthly revenue was anywhere from $150,000 to $230,000 per month. 150 was usually a bad month, 230 was a really good month. So it varied, but it averaged, sort of in between those 2 figures. So fast forward, by the end of 2017, I think the total ad spend on this one funnel was $671,000, or roughly that amount. And the revenue taken just from this one funnel on the Facebook ads was $2.35 million. So basically we achieved that revenue figure from one funnel, which was the automated funnel, one offer, which was obviously his high ticket program, and obviously his sales team closed the sales appointments, which was the offer on the funnel, into the high ticket program. And that was basically it. It was, once we'd had everything dialed in, the campaign itself was very, very easy because the campaign was very profitable. Seeing we were gathering so much data on a daily basis, this allowed Facebook to run the campaign profitably over 12 months. Obviously, in between that, we had to deal with ad fatigue, and obviously we had to relaunch the campaign usually once or twice a month, with new creatives, because at the end of the day, if you're running Facebook ad campaigns at high budgets, the creatives will burn out and the campaigns themselves will fatigue, so you have to relaunch them. But basically, we were running that offer over 12 months and we got these incredible results. So that is how we did it. So my advice for you, if you want to run, sort of Facebook ads, is to keep your funnel process really, really simple. Create a great offer, have a really simple funnel, have a great marketing hook and big idea for your funnel, and create a great message for your Facebook ads. And definitely use lookalikes or scale to lookalikes in your campaigns, because lookalikes are probably the best performing audiences, because lookalikes are basically the audiences that are created on the data that you've collected, i.e. the leads you collected or your customer data. So that is how we achieve those incredible results. I hope you really found this interesting, of how we achieve these results and how you can apply these these processes to your own business and your own offers. Now, if you like this video, click the like button. Why not subscribe if you really enjoyed this video, and you can hit the bell to be notified when I upload any new videos to YouTube, which I generally do 2 to 3 times a week. And obviously, if you want my help with your Facebook ads, whether you're just getting started with Facebook ads or you want help improving and scaling your Facebook ads, you can book a 30-minute discovery call with me. Just go to searchtoconvert.co.uk/call. There's going to be a link in the description below. And also, I've got a Facebook group, and I've got all sorts of other social media profiles that you can follow me on and interact with me in the Facebook group if you want to. Anyway, guys, thanks very much for joining me today, and I'll speak with you soon.